podcast now. Oh my god, I'm so sorry that like hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Naii.Elyy. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Okay you guys, so I actually found the monkey app. Like I hacked it, like because I had downloaded it before, and then there's this thing where you can go back on your app store and you can get it anyways. You guys don't care. This is just purely for content because people actually like watching stuff like this, but I know that I'm beautiful and I don't need anybody's like approval of that, you know what I'm saying? But I just want to make that clear. You're beautiful too, so just letting you know. Okay, anyways, let's go, let's get into it. I don't even know how this freaking app works anymore. Hi.
What's good?
I got a question.
What's up?
At time. Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
You was 10.
Okay, thank you. That was it. It was just for a YouTube video. Okay, let me loosen up a little bit. People be forgetting how that shit works. Oh.
Where you from?
Florida.
Oh, I'm in Florida right now. Out here, yo, bro.
I got a question for y'all.
What's the question?
Can y'all rate me from 1 to 10?
Oh, shit. BMS.
What's that?
Broke my scale.
Oh. Oh, fuck. Don't do that. No. Hello?
I don't want to talk to you.
Oh, okay. 5 seconds left.
Okay. Damn. Oh, my goodness.
I have a question for you.
Ask away. Oh, my God.
Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
15,000. Oh, my name's Tyrone.
Tyrone? Oh, my name's Naii.Elyy.
I'm Puerto Rican.
Oh, you're from Puerto
I'm
Rico?
from Puerto Rico. Yeah.
Oh.
I was answering that question like that.
Are you high? You
but-
zooted?
Hell yeah. How could you tell?
Cause you like.
I like your face. Like, you just look like my next wife. Like my baby mama. Let me pay off child support, bro. And damn, you think.
Oh, you all for it. You all for
I
it.
see a booty in the mirror. You think, damn,
You funny.
damn, my boy. You cute. Damn, my baby.
Thank you. I got a question.
What's up? Ad time. What?
Can y'all rate me from 1 to 10?
9.
9. Who said 0?
10. 10. 10. 11.
Thank you.
Zero.
Where y'all from? Florida?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, what part?
Tampa.
What part?
Y'all said oh.
Hey, radio.
Wait, I can't see you because you.
Oh, real. Get in the camera, yo.
I mean, it's unique.
Yo.
Oh, you look like somebody I knew for a second. Okay, I have a question for you.
Yeah, listen, how old are you? 15, 16, 17, 18?
You said it.
Right, okay, that means you're under.
That made you really young. From Corpus Christi. That sounds familiar.
Hold up. So you're not finna talk.
Yeah, I was waiting. I don't know why you said hold up.
Oh, I said what up. Hold up.
Oh, I thought you said hold up.
I probably did.
You did. Are you zooted right now? Say that one more time. Can you rate me from 1 to 10, please?
I mean, I did lose focus for a reason.
Oh, okay. So you got the game. Okay, I see.
Something slight.
Oh, I like your jacket.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
One eternity later.
Hey, add time. I bet. Alright, so we got a question for you. So, is having a 3-inch an advantage or a disadvantage?
It's having a what?
A 3-inch.
I've never had that before, so I don't know.
What's the lowest you had?
I don't know. You act like I took my time to measure it and shit.
What if he's also fat?
What if he's on what? What if he's on what? Yeah. nigga. Don't want to talk to you no more.
Walgreens again. How that lady. What's good with you? Hold on, I have time real quick.
I got a question for y'all.
Huh?
I got a question for y'all.
What is?
Can y'all rate me from 1 to 10? You can be honest.
I'll give you 20.
20?
1 to 10. 20. So she making scared. I'm just young.
Yeah, you can be honest.
12.
12?
1 to 10.
Okay, thank you.
1 to 10.
Y'all?
Yeah.
You got a really nice smile, the one with the hoodie. Like a 9.5.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you with the bandana. I'll give you like a 9. You got an accent?
I give you a 10.
Oh, thank you. You got an accent?
Yeah, I'm Mexican.
Oh, so tú hablas
Yeah.
español.
You said what?
¿Tú hablas español?
Oh shit, what the hell? She's cute. She cute one. Yeah, that's my new babe. Your babe? Yeah, that's Never told me how to girl, bitch.
Ooh, wait, what? I'm confused. What's going on?
Hey, I have a quick question.
Yes,
Are you a transvestite?
maybe. Your house looks huge.
Yes,
Yeah. Give me some of that money, boy. I'm not even asking people to rate me anymore. I'm just like over it. Whoa, I just seen 2 eyeballs.
Oh, I was about to say that been sus. Eton?
Huh?
Hey, I love you. Nothing. Eton, I love you.
Okay.
You're my girlfriend now, okay?
Okay. I got a question.
What's the question?
Can y'all rate me from 1 to 10?
I'll give you a good little one.
I'll take it.
Two and a half.
2? Oh,
2.5.
give me a 2.
I'll give you a 10, babe. You ugly bitch.
Boy, shut the fuck up. This is why you're not even showing your face.
Show my down your throat.
No,
First
you
of all,
got
how
2
much you
inches.
know?
My is bigger than yours. How about that?
Tell me again. Let me see.
It's bigger than yours. My big energy, bitch.
Yes.
Hello. I like your chain.
That's good. Thank you.
I got a question for you. You need to add time. Can you rate me from 1 to 10? You can be honest.
You gonna think I'm lying, but I'll say 10.
Why would I think you're lying? What you trying to say? I don't think I look good. No, just playing. Sorry, I'm not trying to conversate. I'm trying to get this video out of the way. Oh. Ooh.
You're beautiful.
Thank you.
What's up?
What's up? Where are you?
I'm outside. Whoa, are we from this? She's from Florida. It's at Florida, bro.
What he say?
He was joking.
I was finna say because he really can't be talking.
That wasn't me. That was my friend.
I know, but I'm saying your friend really can't be talking.
That wasn't me.
I know.
What?
Oh my god. I can't. I just can't. Excuse me. Oh, yo. Staring contest.
Hello, is
I can't see you.
Your head look like a squid.
Can I see you, though? Boy, what the?
So, if he makes this beer pong shot, you gotta throw the ass in the circle. Do you agree?
It's whatever. He thought I'm such a bitch.
Hello.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm good myself. Where you from?
Florida. At time, I got a question.
You got a question? What's your question? I might have an answer for you.
Okay. Can you rate me from 1 to 10?
1 to 10?
You can be honest.
To be honest, I'll give you an 8.
Okay.
What's my rating? A 5 on a good day. Just about accurate.
I'll give you an 8 too.
Yo, what's up, True?
What's up?
You cool as fuck. Where you from?
Thank you. I'm from Florida. What am I looking at?
Add time. You looking at Daddy. Add time.
Okay. When you sound like that, it's whatever. I'm with whatever. I mean, I can't really see what he looks like.
Right, that's why you gotta add me on Snap.
Nah, I don't like Snapchat. I hate Snapchat.
You like Instagram?
I got Instagram, but I'm not currently on it.
Okay, so you like a phone number. Got you. Just simply ask you want my phone number. Like, you don't gotta beat around the bush and shit.
Actually,
Wow.
I don't have a number either.
1 eternity later.
Yo,
Yo,
let me see some titties, bro. Stop playing.
no.
Why not?
You. Okay, you guys, so that concludes the video. It's over. I hope this was fun for you guys to see. I hope you guys like this type of content. Guys, it's falling. Anyways, thank you guys so much for all your support, and I'll see you guys later and have a nice day, and goodbye.